Hello everybody, this is Carrie Rodriguez. Thank you for stopping by. I realized suddenly that I hadn't done a flip through of these journals that I listed on my Etsy, so I wanted to take the time to show you all what was included. So I wanted to show you each one individually. They each come with, let me show these. They each come with a package of various items, which I have one open, we'll go through. And then a journal. It's a junk journal style. They're measured 6 by 3, so they're cute little ones. So there's a doily, and then several pages of lined paper, the scrapbooking paper that coordinates, an envelope that opens at the top where you can tuck stuff in, graph paper, and then right here I've made a folder, and then some sketchbook paper. Oh, this is thick. This is another piece of the cardstock. And then right here I paper clipped a little envelope. And then the other half is the same. So it's the sketchbook paper, the other part of the folder, graph paper, the envelope right there, and then the scrapbooking paper, lined paper, the doily, and then there's the back. And then I have coordinated piece of ribbon to tie it shut. And then I have, so that's the journal. And then I have right here a coordinating that matches, it's called a brag book, but it's for pictures. You could put pictures inside, so it's a little picture book. So here is this one, and all of the papers go with the collection. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 12 pages in each book, and then you have the front where you can decorate it, and it stays closed. So I have this, and then this is some things that coordinate with this collection. Matches the colors nicely. And then I have this one here. So we'll flip through it. So here's that scrapbooking paper. It's kind of beach themed vacation. Here's the folder. And then there's the other scrapbooking paper. And the envelope, and then the other part. So that's that one. And I'll just flip through them briefly just to show you what's in each one. And then here's the picture book. I'm going to just refer to it as a picture book. So there's that page. These are handmade items. I made them myself. If you'd like to see a tutorial on how I make these, let me know in the comments below. And there's the bag that goes with that one. And then here's another one. There's that piece of scrapbooking paper. And then the folder, so I'm just showing you the differences. There's that one. So it's all the same. Just the paper that's different. Otherwise, the lined paper, the graph paper, the doily, the envelope, all that is the same. And then here is the picture book. And stay tuned to the end of the video, and I will show you what I've done with mine. If you haven't already seen that video, I will also link it below so you can take a look. And then here are the goodies. So it does come with a pen in each one. So that's for your journal. And then here's this one. So there's the scrapbooking paper there. There's the envelope and the folder. So there's the journal. And I just love the size of these. They fit perfectly pretty much everywhere, even in your pocket. In your back pocket, of course, in your purse, Just be careful with them. It is paper, so we don't want it to get ruined. So there's that one, the picture book, and then here's everything that comes with it. Sorry for the glare. Okay, and then here's this one. I have 9 of these available. And as I mentioned, I've already listed them on my Etsy shop. There's the folder. There's the center, the envelope. So there's that one. And with the little bag, the kit that comes with it, it gives you everything that you would need to decorate both these picture books, the picture book and the journal. So there's this one. That's the picture book. And they all have similar items included. The only differences are things to match the collection. Okay, so here's this one. So there's the, sorry for the glare, and then the folder, and then the center. There's the envelope. I just love this paper though, it's so pretty. Excuse me. Okay, here's the picture book. So there's that one. And then that one, and there's that page, and then there's one there. And then that's the, sorry about that, I touched the camera. Okay, and then here's this one, there's this one, and then one more. So there's the folder, and then the scrapbooking paper, the envelope, if I can get it, there we go. All right, so there's this one. I have all the details listed on the Etsy shop also. So this is the picture book. I love this paper. It's a Maggie Holmes collection. I use 6x6 paper pads to make it. And then this is everything that it comes with. Okay, so here is the last one I have. Okay, so we'll look at the journal quickly. And there's that scrapbooking paper. And then the folder. Sorry. The folder's pink, and then this is the middle one. That's the envelope. Okay, so that's the journal. And then I've left enough space so if it gets chunky, you can still tie it closed. So here's the picture book. If I can get these pages, there we go. Such beautiful paper. And then it comes with this bag as well. Okay, so the last one here that I didn't show you, this is number 9. Has that scrapbooking paper, and then this folder. If I can get it here, there. I closed it with some washi tape on the side on all of them. And then there's the envelope. Okay, and then we'll go through the, I'll tie that in a minute because I put a knot. I'll do that right now. Okay, so then here's the picture book. Very pretty paper. Okay, so you get some crepe paper, the pen, a tag, 2 strips of fabric, unevenly cut, and then 2, 3, 4 pieces of, well, 3 pieces of lace and 1 trim. So these are the laces, and I put them the size of the journal, so they should fit. And then you have enough, if you want to just go at the top, you can do that on 2 pages. And then I have this trim, so those are all coordinated. There's a word, and then there's several buttons. Here's a little journaling card, and then a tag, some eyelash trim. There should be 4 buttons. Here's some word strips, some washi tape, some stickers, and then some coordinating journaling cards that go with the collection. And then here's a label sticker, 2 pieces of 2x3, I think it's 2x3 coordinating cardstock. And then there's these stickers, and then a tag, 2 words, and yeah, they have four buttons, so I'll be adding 2 more in this one. This is the one that I had sitting out, so it's probably underneath here. Okay, so this is everything that you get included in the kit, plus the 2 buttons that I'll be adding once I find them. They're right here probably. Okay, so I wanted to show you quickly what I've done with mine if you haven't seen that video. So here's my picture book. So this is what I've done. I've used everything in the kit. I made my own kit, same items that you've seen here. And I added all these pictures. And then here is my decorated journal. So as you can see, I used the lace to put it on the side. I put a picture there. There's a pocket on the side here. I can write on there or put a smaller picture. So I use the lace right here, and then I use the buttons along with the fabric to make tabs. I use some of the leftover fabric right here to put this picture with a sticker. And then I use some of the words and the trim right here underneath the picture right here. Some leftover trim, I put it on the side right there just to add a little texture. And this is a pocket, which I can still put stuff inside. And then I put a picture there. So I use nothing more than what you've seen. And then with this tag, I added this eyelash trim. And then I put a sticker right here, and that one as well. Here's another tab with a button. And then I put some more lace. I put a journaling card, a picture. I have put something inside of the envelope with a sticker there. I put a flag. There's some fabric with a button, some more eyelash trim over here with some stickers, and then that one of the words. Right here I put some leftover piece that goes with the collection with a picture inside here and a sticker, some more lace, a picture and a sticker there. And then right here I used a label sticker, I guess, to make this a flip, and I added 2 pictures right there. And then here's the 4th tab with a button, and then a label here so I can put a picture right there. So this is what I've done with my journal. So I've used everything from the kit as I've shown you. Again, I have 9 of them available, and they are listed on my Etsy. So I will have that linked below, so you can head on over there and get one of these if you'd like. They are perfect beginners and gifts for teenager, young children. I have a 2-year-old, and if you haven't watched that video, you should watch her crafting with me. Even she would do something with this. Maybe not the way I would do it, but she would do her own little thing, because it's just, you know, glue. I give her a glue stick. I'll link that video below. It's super cute if you haven't seen it, so head on over there too as well. So I thank you guys for stopping by again, my channel. I'm also on Facebook at Carrie's Workshop, and I'll list my Pinterest as well, so you can follow me on Pinterest too. And I hope you like this video, so go ahead and leave comments below. I'd love to hear what you guys think, and if you want a tutorial, let me know so I can prepare that if you'd like to see how I made these books. And have a great day. I'll see you on the next video. Bye, everybody.